Imagine living in a city of over 20 million people where concrete has literally swallowed the earth and the trapped heat is baking the ground beneath your feet. Hey there, I'm Kholipha from Dhaka. Today I'm advocating for SDG 15, Life on Land. But how do we talk about life on land in one of the most densely populated concrete jungles in the world? The truth is, it is about the ground we stand on. Over the last 2 decades, Dhaka has lost a devastating percentage of its green cover and wetlands to rapid urbanization. Because of this, we are facing a severe urban heat island effect. Our soil is suffocating under plastic waste, and industrial runoff is destroying our micro ecosystems. When we degrade our land, we lose the birds, the insects, and eventually our own breathable air. We cannot bulldoze our cities and start over, but we can innovate. My solution? Micro-urban greening and soil restoration. First, transforming empty rooftops into climate-resilient native ecosystems, moving beyond just ornamental gardening. Second, establishing neighborhood composting hubs. Dhaka's waste can be turned into nutrient-rich compost to revive our urban soil. Third, implementing the Miyawaki method to grow ultra-dense microforests in unused plots, restoring biodiversity 30 times faster. Protecting terrestrial ecosystems begins right outside our doors. If we can revive Dhaka's soil, we can do it anywhere. I urge you all to support urban ecology. Start your microgreen space, manage waste responsibly, and share this message. Let us turn our concrete jungles back into living, breathing ecosystems. Thank you.